We're at the Florida Mall in Orlando, Florida, and we are hoping that we're going to happen upon a box lunch store and then in turn happen upon the Minnie Mouse black and white polka dot Boxlunch Exclusive Loungefly that we ordered last week, and then the other day they canceled our online order. Fingers crossed that we're going to be able to find it when we get in there. It's about 9:45, so they open in 15 minutes at 10 o'clock, and we're going to be on pins and needles until we get in there. You ready? Pew!
Okay, let's get this one.
All right, let me see it. You're too adorable. We're back. We have good news. What's our good news, Teia?
We found it!
We did. They actually had, there were 5 in the store, 3 out front and 2 in the back, just in case.
Should I show it to you now?
It's more fun when you have it.
Well, let's just making sure.
All right.
Hold on, it's really shoved in this guy. Like, he had to work to get it in here. And I don't want to lose our box lunch money.
We got 4 box lunch monies for this thing.
Oh, please, I'll be right back.
You ready? We got it.
She's so cute.
I am so excited because this was her birthday present and they canceled the order. And this is the only store that got this bag. It's a box lunch exclusive. Luckily, our local people actually called and made sure that they had it, but they were the only ones that got it. Happy birthday, Teia.
Thanks.
I'm so excited. It is very cute. Is there anything on the inside?
No, that's the only disappointment, is that the lining is just plain black. But that's fine.
This looks like carpet right here.
It does. It's kind of like a bath mat or something.
It's cute.
It is cute.
I'm excited that Teia got it. I felt disappointed for her. All right. Nutcakes! We are at the Florida Mall in Orlando, Florida.
Is that where the Florida Mall is? Take 2.
Nutcakes!